Hello everyone, this is me Nayan. So in this video I'm just going to share you my beauty secrets over here, that how I achieve a daily minimal makeup look. By the way, this look is much more like that. I'm just going to have a meeting, okay? So I'm just going to wear this makeup look for my meeting, okay? So yeah, and here I'm also going to share you my beauty secrets, how to achieve this minimal look. So without wasting any time, let's begin to it. मैं हेयर वॉश करके आई हूँ and this is the look I'm just getting. So first step is about prepping your skin, okay? So for prepping your skin, I have my gulab gel with me. So I'm just going to have a gulab gel. So I'm just going to. So yeah, I have a good layer of this gulab gel. Let it sink into your face, and after that I'm just going to this wipes with me. By the way, this is from one brand which is like Swiss Beauty. It's very I think a good one to go for. So I'm just going to just exfoliate little bit with this. I'm just going to do like in circular motion. So you may see already I'm just getting the dirt. Usually go for that type of moisturizer जो कि मेरे skin में hydration provide करे. So I always going to have this moisturizer with me. This is quite good and affordable too. So you may go for it. So already मैंने इसमें सारा ख़त्म कर चुकी हूँ मैं. So take a good layer of this and protect your skin by hydrating your skin basically. Hydration is needed for So I have done my moisturizer. Next step would be, I already have this dryness over here like in my eye area, under my eye area. तो मैं यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा eye cream लूँगी and इसे थोड़ा सा वो करके मैं यहाँ पे basically this is aloe vera gel. So my secrets too for eye में primer that की primer आपके पास नहीं है, so you can go for aloe vera gel. It works better for your skin guys. So always prefer these things to your skin. Always make sure that you use this hand, so like that. Prepping. Now this time to conceal my face. Okay, so जहाँ पे मेरे darkness है, I'm going to take this brush and I'm just going to conceal my area where I need the most. So I'm just going to take a darker shade of this and I'm just going to just so you see the changes. So I'm just going to do over here also. So मेरा है कि यही है is that कि जब भी आप हरी में हो and you don't have any time, just take a concealer जो कि आपके 2 shades lighter हैं आपके skin से, darker हैं, sorry. I've done my concealing and now it's time to put any type of सो यूजली मैं क्या करती हूँ कि डेली जब भी मेरे को कहीं आउटसाइड जाना होता है, सिंस इट इज़ ऑफिस मेकअप लुक, सो इसमें लाइक हैवी मेकअप की ज़रूरत नहीं है, यू नीड ओनली लाइट मेकअप फॉर दैट. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू हैव दिस वन एज अ बेस. This is from Swiss Beauty. So I'm just going to take a pump of this much. This as my little bit of tint, not much. And this is how I'm going to create my tint. This is how I look. So I'm just going to put all over my skin. I mean face, sorry. Now it is time to put little bit of concealer more. This is nice one which I am just using right now. This is a smaller pencil brush and this is just giving me that type of look. So I'm just going to have going to have this HD Flawless Makeup setting powder. So I'm just going to have only where जहाँ पे मैंने use किया है, like that. I don't need too much for my skin, and so this is how it's look like. Now it's time to do contouring, and I just don't believe for contouring for going outside, but foundation लगाने के बाद ज़रूरी होता है. I'm just going to take this sugar palette and I'm just going to have this look, this bronzer, and I will take a good layer of it. Okay. Now it's time to do for nose contouring, and for nose contouring I'm just going to take this one only, and I will just going to dab this one and just a little bit of shadow. Okay. Now it's time to do my eyebrows. So it's very important to fill your eyebrows for whenever you are going outside. मेरा secret ही है that कि और कुछ करो ना करो, always do your eyebrows. This is my secret. I'm just going to take that. See these differences. I'm just going to do this eyebrows as well. Now it's time to do my eye makeup. So obviously you don't have to go too much. I'm going to have this one, okay, this as my base. I'm just going to take this whiter sheet and I'm just going to pat over this, like this one as since it is office look, so you don't have to be too over dramatic, so always consider a lighter shade for that. I'm just going to do a little bit over there. So this is the look I'm getting after that. So yeah, there is no too much on my eye area. So this is the subtle eye makeup you can do for whenever you are going outside. Now if you have to darken something, then you can dark it by just taking this one more time and just going over there, and like, you know, slightly you have to do this. So yeah, this is the look you will get after that. Yeah, okay. Now I'm just going to do my mascara. Mascara is very important for this look. So I'm just going to do slightly wing over here, so make it too cooler. So मैं जब भी मैं dramatic नहीं होना चाहती हूँ, so I just do some wing over. You have to just do here like that, and you have to stretch little bit, and you have to take same this one, and I will just go slightly there, like that. Okay, I'm just going to take this dark brown, and I'm just going to I will going to stretch little bit like that, you may see. And now I'm just going to do over this area, just this one. Take this one, you have to stretch little bit like that. You can stretch like that. This is my hack whenever I have to create fake God, look, I have to stretch little bit. Yeah, this is the look you will get after that. See, this is wing eyeliner. I'm going to use concealer over there. I just feel like I have to do so. So I'm just so this is the look I'm just getting. I've just created slightly fake eyeliner. Okay, now office makeup, so you don't have to go over dramatic with your eyes. So I'm just using this Maybelline Sensational mascara, and just now it's time to do blush. So for blush, I'm just going to take this one, my lip and cheek tint, which I love the most. This is lip and cheek tint. I think this is good for, like, you know, office going makeup. So I always consider lip and cheek tint. So don't use directly to your face. Always use it like this is my hack. Take little bit of this like that. Okay, I'm just going to take this beauty blender, and I'm just going to take little bit, and I'm just going to put this one. So this is like natural look you will get after that. And now I will going to take same lip and cheek tint. So first of all, I'm just going to wipe off my this lip area. So this is the perfect shape. Or I will not put highlighter because it is like office makeup, so I don't need that much highlighter, but I will just going to have this on my nose as well. So I'm just going to take this one, and I will going to have over there, like on my nose, a little bit there, little bit there. I will going to take this one, and I will just highlight this area. Okay, that's it. I'm just going to take this lip liner for my lips. So I'm just going to put this lip cheek tint, and it will be going to give me slightly a tint. Okay, so you don't have to go for this color for your office going, of course, but I'll give you one idea for that. So this is looking over dramatic, but make sure कि I am just going to wipe this one like that. I will take this one. So this is the look you will get. Now I'm just going to add little this color. This is from Just Herbs, so this is like lighter shade for putting this one. I think there this one. This is like your this is from Just Herbs, and this is mini size sample size lipstick for using. This is raspberry pink shade. So I'm just going to add this much this one for my So this is the look you will get. Setting spray you will get. I mean, it's my personal opinion to have this one. So yeah, make it like far, take it like that. Okay, you may see this dewiness. I know this will be going to take a long period, but still, you know, I'm going to pack this one. So I'm just going to take off all the things. Okay, so this is my everyday makeup look. You may see. So you may see this dewiness as well. So yeah, this is my outfit. This is the outfit I have wear for my office look, and this is the look you can achieve for yourself as well. आप अपने लिए भी अचीव कर सकते हो ऐसा look. Do comment me down below that कि यह look आपको कैसा लगा. I mean, I love this look. Personally, I just do this type of look जब भी मैं बाहर जाती हूँ, and whenever I have to attend something, you know, like a not party, but you know, whenever I have to attend some, you know, official work where I just know that कि मेरे को like, you know, minimum makeup करना है. Well, I'm a good fan of minimum makeup. I love minimum makeup. So this is the look I'm just getting after that. You see, and I'm just going to give you a closer of this. So